Welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV. If you've been keeping an eye on the SUV game, then you already know the Toyota RAV4 is one of the most dominant players in the compact crossover segment. But for 2026, Toyota decided to spice things up even more. They've gone beyond just a mild refresh and given us a vehicle that feels smarter, sharper, and far more in tune with the needs of modern drivers. Today, we're diving deep into the brand new 2026 Toyota RAV4, and trust me, whether you're a long-time fan or a first-time looker, you're gonna want to stick around for this one. Exterior. Let's kick things off with the first thing that catches your eye: the exterior design. Toyota has amped up the visual presence of the RAV4 without losing its utilitarian roots. From the front, the bold changes are immediately noticeable. The grille has been redesigned to take on a wider, more angular shape, giving it a more aggressive stance. The LED headlights are sleeker, with adaptive beam technology available on the higher trims. They now sweep back into the fenders with a sharp contour line that makes the face of the RAV4 look more like a concept car than a production model. And that front bumper? It's not just for looks. It now features active air intakes that adapt for aerodynamics or cooling depending on your driving conditions. Shifting to the side profile, the 2026 RAV4 retains its signature floating roof design, but Toyota has streamlined the lines for a more aerodynamic silhouette. The wheel arches are pronounced, giving it a more muscular posture, and depending on the trim, you'll find either 18-inch, 19-inch, or a new for 2026 20-inch alloy wheels with bold two-tone finishes. A new character line runs across the midsection, adding a bit more dynamism, and the lower body cladding has been thinned down just enough to give it a premium feel without compromising the rugged aesthetic. Now around back, the changes are subtle but smart. The taillights have been redesigned with a smoke LED setup that gives off a high-tech vibe. The tailgate is now smoother and features a cleaner integration of the Toyota and RAV4 badging. The rear bumper has been sculpted to look sportier, especially on trims like the XSE and the new RAV4 Sport Hybrid. And new rear spoiler adds a touch of flair and contributes to better aerodynamics. Plus, duochrome exhaust tips on certain trims offer just the right amount of aggression for an SUV that's still known for being a daily driver. Alright, enough of the outside. Interior. Let's open those doors and step inside. Toyota has taken a serious leap forward with the 2026 RAV4's cabin. It's more refined, more intuitive, and more high-tech than ever before. The dashboard has been redesigned with a more horizontal layout, improving visibility and creating a wider sense of space. Right in the center, you're greeted by a stunning 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen that runs the latest Toyota multimedia system. It's fast, responsive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even over-the-air updates. Below the screen, the climate controls are now capacitive touch-based but thankfully still easy to use without taking your eyes off the road. Drivers will love the fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, customizable to show navigation, safety info, and driving data. And yes, Toyota finally brought in ambient lighting for 2026, offering a soft, premium glow throughout the cabin at night. The materials? Oh, they're upgraded too. Soft touch surfaces dominate the dash and door panels. Depending on trim, you'll get options like synthetic soft-X, suede inserts, or even genuine leather on the limited trim. Seating is more comfortable, with added bolstering and lumbar support, especially for long hauls. Heated unventilated front seats are now available on more trims, and Toyota has included rear seat heating for the first time in RAV4 history. Rear passengers enjoy better legroom thanks to reworked seat backs and a slightly longer wheelbase. And for those cargo-carrying days, the rear cargo area has been expanded slightly, with over 70 cubic feet of space when you fold down the 60-40 split rear seats. There's even a hands-free power liftgate with gesture control for it when your hands are full. Performance. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 offers several powertrain options to meet just about any lifestyle. The base engine remains a 2.5-liter inline-4 producing around 205 horsepower. paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. But what really excites is the hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants. The RAV4 Hybrid now makes 225 horsepower and offers better fuel efficiency, achieving up to 44 miles per gallon combined. Meanwhile, the plug-in hybrid RAV4 Prime gets a slight bump to 310 horsepower with improved electric-only range and now up to 50 miles on a full charge. That's enough for most daily commutes without using a drop of gas. And here's the twist for 2026: the new RAV4 Sport Hybrid trim adds a performance-tuned suspension, paddle shifters, and a revised AWD system that can send more torque to the rear wheels, offering a surprisingly fun driving experience. Whether you're emerging onto the freeway or carving up a back road, this thing feels planted and confident. Toyota's electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system is now quicker to react and can even adjust torque split based on real-time terrain sensing. So whether it's rain, snow, gravel, or a steep incline, the 2026 RAV4 is smarter and more capable than ever. And of course, you get all the latest safety gear with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, lane tracing assist, dynamic radar cruise control, pre-collision with pedestrian detection, road sign assist, the works. When it comes to pricing, Toyota has managed to keep things competitive while offering more value. The base list starts around $30,500, the XLE hovers closer to $33,000, and the sporty XSE pushes to around $36,500. The RAV4 Hybrid trims range from $34,000 to $39,000, while the range-topping RAV4 Prime starts around $43,000 and can stretch to just under $50,000 when fully loaded. Yes, that's creeping into luxury territory, but you're getting performance, tech, and versatility that rivals many premium brands. So where does that leave us with the 2026 Toyota RAV4? Honestly, it's one of the most well-rounded compact SUVs you can buy right now. Toyota didn't just slap on a new face and call it a day. They improved the tech, boosted the performance, enhanced the comfort, and still kept the practicality that's made the RAV4 a bestseller for years. Whether you're a commuter, an adventurer, a parent, or just someone who wants a reliable SUV with a touch of flair, this new RAV4 checks all the boxes. And there you have it, folks. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 is smarter, stronger, and sleeker than ever before. If you've been waiting for the right time to upgrade your SUV, this might just be the moment. Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you go for the hybrid or the gas model? Or are you all in on the plug-in Prime? And, as always, smash that like button, subscribe to Trendz TV, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive car review. Thanks for riding with us, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay turbocharged.